Good morning, guys. We are here at Steve Jobs Theater for the very anticipated iPhone 16 event. I'm so excited. I'm going to take you guys with me through my whole day. We have a lot planned. Some of it's still secret, so make sure you watch to find out. And I'll see you guys very soon. Let's go inside.
Walking down the stairs. It's almost time. We just ate some snacks. I'm so excited.
So Kat, your thoughts after the announcement?
It's always the most exciting event of the year. Like, my heart is still pounding. I'm so excited. I'm really excited about the sleep apnea feature on Apple Watch. Just finished our hands-on at Steve Jobs Theater, and now we're headed to the Apple Visitor Center to get a little bite to eat before we go to the content capture studio. So that's gonna be really fun to show you guys more of the devices and tell you my favorite features. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm gonna share with you my favorite features and announcements from today's keynote. Let's start off with Apple Watch Series 10. Now, what got me excited about this is the ultra sleek design. This is actually the sleekest and thinnest Apple Watch design ever, with the largest screen display. The new watch bands look really good on my wrist, and the Hermes ones are stunning as well. This gold color and the new watch band looks like something I would wear when I'm wearing a dress or even at a nicer event. I usually would take off my Apple Watch, but this is so sleek and it goes with my gold jewelry. I am quite honestly obsessed. And now we have the new Apple Watch Ultra. The bands are really giving that hardcore, like, outdoorsy vibe. I think they look really cool and sleek. What do you guys think? This new Hermes band is super sleek and thin. I think I need it. The new Apple Watch Series 10 has really fast charging. In only 30 minutes, you will get an 80% charge. This is perfect on the go if you forget to wear your watch to the gym. You can quickly throw it on your Apple Watch charger so you don't have to work out without it. There's also really cool health features such as the sleep apnea notifications. And now you can actually play music and listen to podcasts straight from your wrist. You don't need to wear AirPods. You can hear everything from your Apple Watch. There's also a new Snorkel Buddy feature on the Oceanic Plus app that I'm excited to try out. You'll be able to track your time, depth, direction, and other metrics straight from that app. The new Apple Watch Series 10 comes in jet black, rose gold, and silver. The Apple Watch Ultra is available in black titanium. It has 3,000 nits of brightness and is water resistant up to 100 meters. You're now able to customize the action button. So this will give you control over starting a new workout, marking a new segment, or just moving on to your next interval. Now onto the AirPods 4. I was pretty shocked when I first held them. They are the thinnest and smallest AirPods design ever. They're literally this big. Honestly, the AirPods 4 are really impressive, especially for the price. For $129, you literally get everything you need in the AirPods in a compact and small device. We have personalized spatial audio. You can move your head like this to answer call or like this to decline. The charging case is now USB-C, and it also has voice isolation, so if you're on the phone with someone and you have loud noises around you or wind, they won't be able to hear it. You can also get the active noise cancellation AirPods 4, which I think is totally worth it. I'm gonna test out the AirPods 4. Look at how small this case is. Absolutely tiny. I love that. Shake test. They're not gonna fall out. Okay, no, they're actually in there nice. So this is the first time Apple has noise cancellation without AirPods with silicone tips, and I'm very impressed. It's so loud in here, as you guys can probably tell, but with noise cancellation, I feel like I'm just in my own world, playing some music. Oh, vibe.
Yeah. Chase lights to Christmas.
If I close my eyes, I would pretend just I'm by myself. Yeah. Now we're going to respond to Siri by using our head. So move up and down. It worked. Continue. Move side to side. Continue. And now it's ready to go. So if anyone calls me, I can easily decline their call by doing this in public or answer it like that. I'm also very kind of shocked at how light this is. I definitely will have a case on it so I can have a little strap and keep it in my purse because this is tiny. Now the AirPods Max are both a fashion statement and also amazing headphones. There are 5 stunning new colors. I'm personally obsessed with the purple. I just posted a picture on my Instagram rocking the purple ones. I think I gotta get a full purple outfit for when I'm doing my review on those AirPods. These new AirPods Max have pro-level active noise cancellation and transparency mode. We got the brand new AirPods Max. These are actually USB-C, which makes everyone's life a lot easier if you have all the new iPhones. Let's put them on. Now into active noise cancellation. Sounds really good. Back into transparency mode. I can hear my surroundings. It's so loud in here, but this is awesome. I also love how big they are over my ears so they don't bother me when I'm wearing a lot of earrings like I always am. Now, Apple has a major health update with their AirPods. The AirPods Pro 2 act as a hearing aid. This is absolutely incredible. This is truly first of its kind, and in the keynote, it honestly made me kind of emotional watching the video of a woman being able to hear her family talking crystal clear by using her AirPods. You'll also be able to take an actual hearing test straight from your AirPods. This is a clinical grade hearing test you can take in the comfort of your own home. I love that Apple is putting ear health at the forefront. Behind me are the brand new iPhone 16s. We have them in ultramarine, teal, pink, my favorite, white, and black. Now, what can I say? Apple did not disappoint with this. Last year they gave us a pink, but this is the pink we wanted. And I love how it's a darker pink around the camera. Stunning, and the matching wallpaper. What's not to love? I will not be putting a case on this. It's too gorgeous. I thought it was aquamarine, but no, it's ultramarine. And honestly, this might be tied for #1 as my favorite color along with the pink. The shade of blue is so stunning. It kind of looks a little purple around the camera. This is amazing. I have my hands on the teal color. And you know what? It actually looks really, really nice in real life. It looks a little bit more green, but I love what Apple's doing, making all the colors way more vibrant and way more fun and playful. I have my hands on the black iPhone 16. Super great if you're into that minimalistic look. Here we have the white. It looks more like a cloud marshmallow white to me, and I'm really loving these wallpapers. I'm really interested in trying out the camera control feature. This basically gives you quick access to your camera. You're able to take photos and videos with a tiny click of a finger, and even if you press down halfway, you're able to change the settings. This makes content creation that much easier. We have the brand new camera control right here. See how it's a little different shade? It looks really nice. We just tap on it and automatically launches the camera. If we click down, take a photo. If you hold, you'll start to record. If you press down a little bit, you have all these different controls as you see. Zoom, cameras, styles, and then you can zoom in. Wow, this makes on-the-go photography much easier. As soon as I get my hands on this device, I'm going to be shooting a day in the life vlog using it. So I'm excited to test it out and let you guys know what I think, what I find useful, and how it is. Later this year, we're going to be able to use the camera control feature to launch visual intelligence. You'll be able to walk around, take a quick photo of something, and it'll tell you what type of dog it is, or add something into your calendar just by taking a photo of something on a magazine or a storefront. It's really interesting, and I'm excited to walk around the city and see what I can capture and see what I can learn using visual intelligence. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus features a 48 megapixel fusion camera with a 2x telephoto option, as well as a new ultra-wide camera that enables macro photography. Now for Apple Intelligence. Where do I even begin? All right, these are my top 3 favorite and most anticipated Apple Intelligence features. I know that the new writing tools feature is going to be really useful in my everyday workflow. It's going to proofread your text and rewrite your paragraph with a different tone and a more professional writing. Now we know Siri is going to be a lot more intelligent. You're able to talk to her now like a regular person, even interrupt her mid-conversation, switch your thoughts, and she'll be able to carry on like normal. Hey Siri, what's the weather today? Ooh, and what's the weather tomorrow? But we're also able to type to talk to Siri, and this is what I'm very excited about. If I'm in a noisy place or I just want to ask a question randomly, all I have to do is hold down on the bottom of the screen and it'll pop up where I can type to talk to Siri. Double tap the bottom and I can ask Siri anything. You could ask her, how do I take a screenshot? Maybe she knows what I'm talking about. Oh, there we go. Super easy way to get information very quickly and you don't have to talk. And of course, the customization. You guys know I'm going to change my home screen to be a pink aesthetic, change all of my icons to a dark mode, and just have it be more me. The action button will launch way more actions and be a whole lot more useful. So the iPhone 16 Pro series comes in 4 stunning colors, and this is the natural titanium. You guys might remember it from the 15 series. It looks the exact same color. So I have the desert titanium. I've been most excited about this one. And you know what? I really like the gold finishing. It looks really sleek. Our classic black iPhone 16 Pro Max. Last but not least, we have the white color. Classic, beautiful. If you like white devices, this is the one for you. iPhone 16 Pro lets you record 4K at 120 frames per second. In the Photos app, you're actually able to adjust the playback speed after capturing your video. Having all these editing capabilities will give your videos a more cinematic feel. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max introduces a new 48 megapixel fusion camera, a new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera for higher resolution macro photography, and a 5x telephoto camera coming to both Pro models. The spatial audio feature is something I'm really excited to test out. So I have this video, I click on edit, and after the fact I can go in, click on audio mix, and I have all these different options. So I have standard, in frame, studio, cinematic, and I can change everything after the fact. I think this is going to be amazing for when I'm shooting vlogs and videos on the go. You're now able to decrease background sounds right in the Photos app and adjusting the intensity of sound. The audio mix feature has 3 different modes: in frame, studio, and cinematic. I could definitely see myself using this a lot. The whole new lineup is incredible, especially with Apple Intelligence. I can see myself becoming way more productive. So I know you guys are already gonna ask me what are my top picks from the event. Here it is. First, we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the Desert Titanium color. This was my choice right from the start. As soon as I saw it on the screen, it looked so cool. It's giving that beautiful, classy vibe that we all love. If you know me, you know I'm super excited about the pink. I love that Apple made it way more fuchsia and brighter than last generation. My DMs were flooded and comments of you guys saying, oh my gosh, Kat, there's a fuchsia pink color. And I am so happy my prayers are answered. Thank you, Apple. This is the pink we've been dreaming for. Brighter than last year, more vibrant, and packed with amazing features. And then of course, I'm gonna be rocking some AirPods Maxes, and this purple color is definitely my vibe. They look so good on, and they're so comfortable. Now the new Apple Watch Link Band is something I've been waiting for. This is such a sleek and gorgeous design.
Nice to see you again.
How are you?
Great, thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Of course.
So today was really exciting. You know, a huge highlight was the camera control.
Ah, yes.
Just got back to the hotel, changed and ready because we're headed to dinner tonight. It's always super exciting hearing from Apple execs, so that interview was really fun to do. I'm having a wonderful day as always, so much fun at the Apple event. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have so much more in store, so make sure you're subscribed to stay updated. I can't wait to test out all the new devices. You guys will see more videos from me very soon. See you soon, bye!